Hello everybody and welcome to my assembly all about British values. Good morning. We start, I want to make sure everybody is doing good sitting, good looking, good listening and good joining in. First, we're going to do our wake up shake up. So everybody stand up and join in with your wake up shake up. Right, before we start talking about our British values, we're going to have a look at our sign of the week. And this week's sign is country. Can you sign country? One more. Country. Well done, everybody. And as I said, today we're going to be learning all about British values. We're also going to be thinking about all our Ellesmere qualities. Okay, so first of all, have a think. What are British values? Do any of you know what British values are? Have a pause and think about what they could be. What do they mean? Our British values are linked to our quality points as well. We're going to go through now and have a look what our British values are and how they are linked to our quality points in school. The first one is responsibility. Responsibility. So we have the responsibility in school to tell the truth and be honest. The next one is independence, and that is to follow the rules. The British value is to follow the rules, and it tells us that it's really important to follow rules. The next quality point is respect, and that's knowing that people are different, and that's great. Then we've got teamwork, where we are kind to others and we all work as a team to be kind to each other. And then we've got confidence, and we need to be confident to all think in different ways. It's okay to think differently to other people. And finally, we've got our resilience, which is to keep trying. Keep trying. And we've got resilience to take part in lots of different activities and keep trying even when they're really hard. Now it's time for you to have a think. If you saw someone being unkind, what would you do? Would you tell an adult or would you shout at them? Have a think. What would you do? That's right, you would tell an adult. If you saw somebody shouting or being unkind to somebody, you should go and tell an adult and ask them to come and help you. Okay, if someone that looked different to you started in your class, what would you do? Would you be kind to them or would you be unkind to them? You're right, you would be kind to them. Make friends with them. If you broke someone's toy, what would you do? Would you tell the truth and say sorry, or would you lie and blame someone else? That's right, you would tell the truth and say sorry. Okay, here is a story to listen to about why we have rules. It's called But Why Can't I? And it's a book about rules. Jenny came home to look after Noah and his sister Rosie. Mum told them the rules. They had to go to bed at 7 o'clock. They had to listen to Jenny and they had to follow the rules. But Noah said rules were silly. Jenny took them to the park. They had to cross a road. Jenny said that there were rules for crossing roads. They had to stop, look and listen. But Noah didn't stop, look or listen. He nearly ran into the road. Jenny said that rules can keep people safe. Later on, Jenny got out a game. She told them the rules. They had to take turns rolling the dice. But Noah didn't listen. He didn't take turns. No one could play. So Jenny had to put the game away. She said rules make playing games fair. Then Jenny said it was 7 o'clock. It was time for bed. But Noah didn't want to go to bed. He wanted to stay up late. But why can't I? He moaned. Jenny said he needed his sleep. She said people need sleep to keep fit and healthy. But Noah didn't listen. He stayed up late. He got tired and grumpy. Then Jenny told him that she had to follow rules too. She told him she worked in a store. The store had lots of customers. It was a great place to work. But she had to follow the rules. She had to look nice for work. She had to get to work on time too. Noah was really tired now. He yawned and yawned. Noah got under the blanket. He said rules weren't silly at all. The end. Thank you for listening today.